Today we are going to talk about 5 main benefits of laser hair removal for the bikini area. Okay, so the first one, the obvious one, obviously we will be hair-free. And most of our clients have very good results. We usually talk around 70 to 80% of permanent reduction, and the remaining hair usually very fine, very light, very easy to manage after the initial course with like a shaving or waxing from time to time. So how many sessions you would need? We do recommend as an initial course around 8 sessions, and they are usually done between 6 to 8 weeks apart at the beginning of the course. As the progress is going well, then sometimes the gaps are a little bit longer. So always our therapist will advise you when to book the next session. The second benefit of laser hair removal for the bikini area is reduction of ingrown hair. This is actually the best solution for ingrown hair. Unfortunately, a lot of women suffer for this problem. So by having less hair on this area, immediately, because of the laser, immediately you will have less ingrown hair, and the skin immediately will get much better looking. You will have a reduction in spots, inflammation, pigmentation, and also the little scars that you had will start to fade away. The third benefit of laser hair removal on this area, and I found this actually great, is that you don't have to think about scheduling your waxing, shaving the area if you plan spa weekend or you schedule your swimming lessons, because in between the sessions, laser hair removal session, you will be, most of the time you will be hair free. So this is actually great. The fourth benefit, actually it's much less painful than some of other hair removal methods like waxing. I've done many treatments on this area and a lot of consultations, and very often I see very nervous clients because obviously laser, it sounds very serious and they think about the pain and all the side effects. A lot of people read like many horrible stories online, and I totally understand. So I always try to put them in in ease that actually it's not as bad, and I am so glad that most of our clients usually say after the first treatment that actually it wasn't as bad, the waxing is much more painful. The fifth benefit of laser hair removal on bikini is the quality of our skin. The skin will become very smooth, bumpy free, even if you don't suffer for ingrown hair. Very often shaving or waxing makes the skin looking very dry, inflamed and red. After a few sessions of laser hair removal, that will change. The skin will be extremely, I call this silky, and will be smooth, and if you go on holidays and you tan, that tan will be much more even. If you've got any question, the best is to come for the consultation. We can have a look the hair, the skin, and we can tell you what we can achieve. The consultation is free of charge, and usually during the consultation we do the test patch, so you can feel the laser. Once the test patch is done, we can book you for the first session.